Guys, we're en route to the airport now. Thought I'd start the vlog here. It's really breezy on the day we're going as well. So there's that. Am I taking anything illegal? No. What would they stop me anyway? Snuck into the Emirates lounge, guys. Using it as a quick prayer space. It's so beautiful. We'll just do a quick room tour. This is us. So, as soon as you come in, is the hey there guys. On the right is the shower. Very nice. A couple towels up there. Imagine they charged us a deposit for spare towels. We didn't know this. But yeah, bathroom's very spacious. Another one. And over here we've got the bedroom. Very spacious. Ooh. Gorgeous. God. This is the wardrobe. Don't look at my though, but I just put that up there when I can't be asked to wear anything. There's a safe for electronics. Yeah, I'll show you the balcony and then we'll go to the living room from there. But yeah, the room is pretty big, as you can tell. Yeah, so here's the balcony. And there's the pool. Outdoor pool. The one that's closest to our building. And there is like an indoor one as well. So this is the living room. That was my signal to tell my sister to, you know, get out of the shot. That's another wardrobe, isn't it?
I believe so.
TV over here, coffee and stuff. Yeah, just some more wardrobe space. Fridge. Whoa, we got water rolling out of here. One sec. And yeah, that is it for now. Guys, it's quite late and we walked around. We found a supermarket, got some essentials, but because it was so close to the hotel, I reckon it's pretty extortionate. But yeah, we found a nice Chinese restaurant. Is it Chinese? It's Thai and Chinese. But yeah, it's not allowed. So go for the king prawn meals. Oh, did we say no alcohol? So what did I get? I got the king prawns chili garlic noodles. What did you get?
King prawn noodles.
Sweet. And what did you get?
Same, king prawn noodles.
Nice. And this is the king prawn toast. This slaps, if you know about this. Fact.
I like how they cover these.
Lollipop on the house. And guys, just woke up to this amazing weather and he's just opening the pool now. The sea looks so nice, actually. But yeah, we should be heading there now. I'll show you the volleyball part. It's one of the first things you saw at night. Kiddie pool. It's got some snacks, but the buffet's pretty big. It's like, it covers most of it. And there's like the tea and drink stuff. That goes all the way there. All the way to the end.
Is it light for you?
Light? I'm gonna go back.
Same.
Nice.
Actually, mine's a bit less.
I wanted to get like coffee in one glass and then ice and then make nice coffee.
Yeah, do it.
I can't find the ice. Oh, I need sugar as well. Churros in a vanilla sauce and then chocolate. It's still hot, it's still there.
How's it with it? Let me eat this first and then get to
See the pancakes? I see the pancakes. It's next to eggs. We got an orange. What? Oh, cross contamination. Yeah, I'm gonna report you.
My mom always says, "Khoful khaytini."
It's definitely not halal. She's at the bar, just over there. You see what I'm talking about? So it's gleaming, like literally the water's gleaming, the sea's gleaming. Shower, we're gonna go for lunch. I'm gonna wait for my hair to dry. It's lunchtime clearly, and yeah, we took what we could. Whatever didn't have chicken or meat in it. It's mostly fish, some tilapia, salad, rice, bread, all the good stuff, carbonara. I'm gonna mix the fruits.
I'm not getting any ice cream. No, I don't like ice cream.
now we're gonna make our way to... Oh my god, I think that's the volcano! So guys, we are in the middle of nowhere in an island. Spanish snacks. The torcidas releñas, which is basically Twizzlers. It comes and it's got like a gel on the inside. Oh, the inside's a bit different. A bit jelly-like. It's not got gelatin, is it? No. 5 out of 10, just because the exterior is really nice, but the interior, it's just not giving what it's supposed to give. Excited. Chips ahoy! It looks like a raw cookie dough, but it really isn't. Excuse me. Can't believe they're not what the gooiness that I wanted. I quite like that. Oh, it's gooey in the centre. 7.5. I got this as well. This is supposed to be Lipton iced tea, but Spanish version. And it's really nice. And you had this yesterday, and I really liked it. So there's that. And this is really nice. It's like a sweetened version of Lipton iced tea, and you can actually taste the tea. That's a good 9 out of 10 for me. Quite like 2 perfumes, and they actually have long lastingness. A lot of fake dupes don't, and I don't know what their dupes are. I think this one reminds me of Invictus, and this one's quite fruity. Wow, you smell good! Oh look, and we stole the hotel cups because we couldn't be asked to go back and give it. So we're gonna give it back now, but I'm gonna get fat this holiday. And we bought, I've seen Emma Chamberlain's recent video in the south of France where she got random jewellery. I wanted to be that bitch. Oh, she got this hat. Souvenir for my mum as well, because I know she'll actually appreciate that. I chose it, she paid for it. I have to cut the mukbang short. Oh, what if you don't? Clearly I forgot to vlog dinner, but yeah, dessert always comes in clutch. Did I overdo it? Am I gonna eat one of these? Probably not. Probably not, guys. See my face. I'm turning, I'm getting fat. Holiday mode is on. I got 4. Well, it's separate from the, it's like the relaxation part, separate from the rides and stuff. That's me, gang gang. The park, guys, I think it's Asian because a lot of the places are like named after like Southeast Asian kind of cultures and like, you know, like Philippine, Bali, all of that. Demolished the dinner buffet. As you can see, I'm clearly tanning and I'm getting so tired of the filming, guys. I can't even lie to you, it's the inconsistency. But yeah, we're gonna go pray, Maghrib, take some nice pictures, went to the supermarket, went to the water park today, that was really good. And yeah, did some tanning and reading, as you can tell. And yeah.
How about waiting at night for this bus? It's in the light.
Guys, we've just arrived to Las Playas, a very touristy place. Yeah, proper cute, I'm not gonna lie. Lots of trees and stuff. My airport dropped on a taxi's car and I was like, hey, can you move? And she's like, let's go, let's go. I was like, I'm not here trying to get a taxi, man. But yeah, it's freaking cute so far. I'm gonna head to the beach and then find somewhere for lunch. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. It's tickly.
It's disgusting. I don't like it.
I wear a mask for some reason, but finished the La Playa on the route back to the hotel. So we're supposed to check out. Oh, food on my face. Story time. We're supposed to check out ages ago. Oh, we checked out at 12, but we came back and the way I've been renting the all exclusive, like we gotta leave the actual hotel in 5 minutes. I just ran and stuffed my face, and yeah, taxi's outside now. Time to go. This is my final memory in this hotel, guys. Allure Atlantic Resort. Whilst I wouldn't recommend the food options, there's definitely places you can get food outside, but yeah, this place has been top tier. These people have been so nice, and yeah, that's Tenerife. Checked off. Other way, checked off. Huh? Checked off. Alright, Tenerife, you've been cute. I've absolutely really enjoyed staying here. Tenerife, you gave me a nice, lovely sun-kissed tan. I'm just gonna have to give you, and you know what, just gorgeous sunsets. I'm gonna give you a good 8.5 out of 10. Everyone says islands, like everyone from like, I don't know, religious background say like, you know, islands, it's all just party and stuff, but it's actually not. There's so much you can do, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna start considering islands now for little getaways. I'm literally sun-kissed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see more content like this, like, subscribe, comment, fun to pay my bills. Maybe we can do this more often, you know? I need some travel buddies as well.